I got zero friends.
Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. I believe everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes chart, same story what happened yesterday. See, yesterday gap up open and there was a very good sell off till 9:40, and today also there was a very good gap up open and there was a very good sell off till 10 o'clock, and this was our support level, and exactly from our support it has reversed, and in second off we have seen it was a volatile day and market closed where exactly where it opened with 49 points positive. Whereas Bank Nifty also opened good gap up and there was a very good sell off, and this was our support level. So it has broke our support levels and it has retraced from 42,850 levels, and we have seen a very good upside rally. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty was volatile today, and Bank Nifty closed with 132 points positive. So let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player planning for tomorrow's expiry. Let's follow by FII. In options in put, they were holding 2.66 lakhs of put buying. Today they have unwinded 6,000 contract only, still holding 2.59 lakhs of put buying. And in call, they were holding 1.73 lakhs of call buying. Today they have added 55,000 contracts, so they have 2.29 lakhs of call buying. Equal number of call versus put, it means they have hedged their positions in options. In future index, 49% long, 51% short, it means they have increased 1% long, reduced 1% short. Stock future percentage 53% long, 47% short, and they have purchased for 1,833 crores in the cash market. So see, they have hedged their positions in F&O and they are continuously buying in cash market. Still, we can consider positive only. Client are the retailers in put, they were holding 1.72 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have unwinded 1.02 lakhs, so they have 70,000 of put writing contract. And in call they were holding 84,000 of call buying. They have unwinded and made a fresh call writing of 1.22 lakhs. So slight negative positions they have made in options. In future index 49% long, 51% short, no changes. Stock future percentage 84% long, 16% short, and they sold for 221 crores. Client don't have any view. Promoters input, they were holding 1.19 lakhs of put writing. They have increased 1.22 lakhs of put writing today. So they have 2.42 lakhs of put writing, and in call they were holding 2.58 lakhs of call writing contract. Now they have unwinded 1.07 lakhs of call writing. So they have 1 lakh of call writing contract. It means they are super bullish in options. Future index 55% long, 45% short. They booked the profit on long side, reduce the longs, increase the short by 4%. Stock future percentage 58% long, 42% short, and they have purchased for 144 crores. So see, promoters view is bullish only. DI has sold for 789 crores, so the cash flow was 966 crores positive value. Put call ratio for tomorrow, Nifty is at 0.92, Bank Nifty is at 0.87, neutral to positive. For month end, Nifty is at 1.35 and Bank Nifty is at 0.99, super bullish. Now let's check the engine OY. Nifty what's for tomorrow. See, open today is people unwinded call writing from 18,200 to 18,300, but huge put writing addition at 18,300. People holding 18,300 short straddle. So good support is at 18,300 and good resistance is at 18,400. So Bank Nifty also we have seen huge number of call writing unwinding at 43,000 and 43,200, 43,300 and 43,400. As well, people unwinded 43,500 put writing also, and huge put writing addition we have seen. People carry forwarding 43,300 short straddle. Major resistance is at 43,500 and good support we will have at 43,200. Now let's check the price action. Nasdaq in 5 minutes chart. See, they have opened huge gap up, and this gap up is due to the CPI data was published. It was very good. 4.9 as per prior month it was 5. As per the expectation it was better. It was in inline. That's why we have seen a very good gap up, and Nasdaq trading with 100 points positive, whereas Dow is trading negative by 100 points. So let's check where the US is going to close. SGX is trading flat by 12 points, and we have seen India VIX going up by 3%. It is at 13, still comfortable. Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has formed a gravestone doji. It means a very good buying pressure we have seen, and it has almost closed the candle on a higher side, making a very big lower wick. As per the price action, Nifty is super bullish. Same pattern, Gravestone Doji in Bank Nifty also. We will consider this as positive only as per the price action. So mark the level for Nifty. First resistance comes around 18,357 and first support comes around 18,242. Bank Nifty first resistance comes around 43,356 and first support comes around 42,974. So as per the open interest analysis, see market is bullish only, the data is positive only. Every dip should be a buying opportunity and tomorrow is a expiry. So mostly the big player want to keep the market sideways only. So 80% the data seems like sideways. If or unless there is a huge gap up and that gap up is sustained, then we can see a very good rally. Or even if there is a good gap down open, we can still see the market coming to today's range only. So every dip is a buying opportunity only. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.